Hello, my name is Brian Simmons, and this is the introduction to the Ransomware Anomaly Detection project for Florida International University, Spring 2022. Our team consists of 10 total students, in addition to our product owner, Carl Banzoff, and our instructor, Dr. Masood Sajadi. The application we developed runs within a Windows environment, and its primary use is to identify anomalies within the Windows event logs for the purpose of detecting potential malware, specifically ransomware. The reason for our project stems from the increasing need for advanced forms of ransomware detection. This project was focused on using machine learning to find anomalies within the Windows logs that may be signs of ransomware. This Python-based application reads EVTX sysmon archive files, parses them to get the event data, and passes that data to an algorithm that determines event dissimilarity compared to events previously seen. As mentioned before, the application is made to run on the Windows operating system and uses the sysmon application developed by Microsoft to log events on the system within the Windows event log folder. This Python-based application that we created takes in these logs, parses them, passes the relevant attributes to the algorithm, and returns a prediction of whether or not the event is considered anomalous. For verification, we used another application called Sysmon Simulator. Sysmon Simulator is made to mimic ransomware within a Sysmon event log for the purposes of testing. The tests we conducted showed a success rate of 75% with a false positive rate of less than 1%. With the application being at its initial stages, we believe the success rate can become much more efficient while keeping the rate of false positives low. More testing and fine-tuning needs to be done in order to maximize the detection capabilities of this application. The application is broken down into 4 distinct parts. The first being the primary driver called rad.py, which uses a gitopt-based input to control the application. We'll talk more about gitopt on the next slide. The second part is the data structure definition, which takes in the event logs, parses the event data, and passes the relevant attributes to the next part. The third part, the dissimilarity algorithm, takes each event individually and determines its dissimilarity from all other events that it's seen before. The last part, the model definition, contains modes for each unique event that the algorithm has seen before. It is separated into 26 distinct partitions, one for each event ID defined by the Sysmon application. The usage for the application is controlled using a gitopt structure with 5 different options. These options allow the user to control where the logs come from, when to train, and when to return a prediction. The application also requires administrative access to the file location, which occurs automatically if not originally run with admin rights. Note, the default Windows log location requires administrative access.